Guys, we're going to Portland and Washington, and make sure to stay tuned.
Guess who's at the airport? We're at the airport.
On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much.
It was a good AD seperin. Me thoughts and every. Ye oro erop fiti seperin.
Yeah, this is my second time.
Ewe win kera zuku. Ewe ye ke porera America. Yeah. Ye was sell by porekan. Saturday kuzu. Me te fausaron me fiop ke porera mainland.
I felt scared.
Scared and
Like, bored.
bored.
What is that? What is that thing? Like the
inga neriatia po sirawa ke were boude se beri.
Oh.
Saka tor.
Yeah,
Sa
that's Portland, or like whatever you call. Like you call it Oregon or Portland, but our car says we're from Washington.
Washington. Oye, puede casoti. Y we have Torre mainland, me tenere. Y cabeto.
Yeah. But now I'm gonna be like on airplanes for 3 times, because you know how like I went to Chuk, then I came back from Chuk. That's still on the airplane.
So, going to Chuk one time, going back, that's your second time.
No,
Going
this
to
is
Portland,
my third time.
Yeah. And then when you go back, that's gonna be your 4th time on the airplane.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait, aren't we like going to Chuk or something? I thought we were going to Chuk.
Atarara kiras usunya ka frozen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Dara sa soti sakura sen o sakura game.
Next time, can you tell them if I can sit on the window seat?
Okay. Me parats ngeri tok nyo kurapuy ko saram. Siko mama sarots nyo.
Yeah, because my mom has a lot of headaches because of smells, the sun, like stuff like that. Food, like however they smell.
Ewa epore kora. O atara tuke korik. No kara beferu e veror korik. Ewa soti. Que sopo gets metor.
We went to Portland. Yay!
Service to Vancouver, please receiving care until 6.
Mom. listening. You always know me, and like I'm with you. I need to use bathroom. Whoa, is that statue a real person? Hello. Say hello. Hello, 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 Portland. We made it to Portland.
They have a lot of people that work for British Airlines.
Yeah, wato.
I know, it be real sweet. Yeah, buddy. God bless you. I hope you have a good time. God bless you.
Thank you.
How many grandkids you got? I got two.
Look who's in Portland. Hey, January.